So massive day for crypto and Bitcoin as we are approaching 103,000 per Bitcoin. And let's get straight to it. Here you can see the chart. We are growing exponentially. And this makes sense because in 4 days that Trump will be taking the office and doing everything bullish for crypto. If you have read the news, and I will talk about some of the latest news in this video. And I will be reviewing some bullish NFT projects, some airdrops, and many great alpha that you don't want to miss. So let's start with the first one. Is this Arbiter Finance? If you have done bridging through this Arbiter Finance application, you may qualify for some points. I myself I am qualifying for 2,743 Arbiter tokens, which means that I will get something, but I don't think this will be a huge airdrop. And most likely one token will cost like 2 cents or something like that. So nothing huge, but this is just a heads up that they are actually releasing token finally. The checker is live. So if you have done some bridging, go on the website. The links are in the description and in the comment section. Next up is this. Another airdrop is coming in January 23rd. So in 6 days, we have another airdrop, which is anime token, anime coin. This project is basically launched, created by Azuki. Azuki, one of the biggest NFT projects since 2022. And another airdrop coming in January 23. First of all, how you can get this airdrop, you'll need to hold Azuki or one of their NFT projects tokens, because they have like beans, they have elementals, and not only the Azuki themselves, and they have their partner projects. For example, this sofa NFT is one of the projects that I'm holding. Here you can see they announced the basically partnership with Anime Foundation in May 2024, basically before the summer. And here you can see they actually launched a new animation, new movie on their YouTube, just as I predicted in previous video. And the price went up from $50 to $100 right now. That's why if you miss this, you can basically join my Patreon. This is the place where I'm talking about everything early before I post on YouTube or on Twitter. Only $10 a month, but I'm posting multiple times a day. Everything I see on Twitter, in my alpha groups, in paid groups that I paid for, many huge influencers in those groups talking about the latest alpha. That's why if you want to join. Thanks for doing that. You're supporting this channel. So next thing I want to talk about is Abstract. Again, another airdrop. Abstract will be launching January 2025, as you can see here. So we have 13 days, the max that airdrop will be dropping. So I'm really bullish on this as well, because Luca Nets, the owner of Pudgy Penguins, is the owner of this as well. And most likely they will be rewarding the old Ethereum OGs, Solana OGs. So if you have a old Ethereum or Solana wallet and you have stayed active, basically active, this means that you will most likely qualify for some tokens. Also, there will be many NFT projects launching on mainnet, and they will get some allocation as well. That's all. That's why keep your eye on the Abstract blockchain, which is layer 2 on Ethereum. Next huge news is that President-elect Donald Trump to sign executive order making cryptocurrency a national priority, which is huge. Here you can see that Bloomberg themselves actually posted this. That's why I think Bitcoin will reach 250,000 in 2025. This will be the longest bull run, and really bullish on this space. Don't fade this space. Search for new opportunities. Research your stuff. I have been doing this since 2017. Next opportunity. Next news is this. Phantom raised $150 million, valued at $3 billion, which means, in my opinion, they will soon drop their own token. And if you have been on Solana, you have Phantom Wallet most likely. And how you can qualify for bigger airdrop is doing, for example, swaps on their own wallet, which may be more expensive, but looking at the fact that they are valued at 3 billion right now, the airdrop could be huge. That's why look at everything they are doing here. Many apps, many collaborations. Again, do your research. I could probably do a separate video on Phantom. I actually have one video on Phantom, but not much about airdrop and how to farm it. That's why do your own research. This could be one of the biggest airdrops of 2025 if they drop a token, because see, investors, Sequoia, Paradigm, the biggest, probably the top 5 biggest funds in crypto. Again, don't fade this. So let's talk about some AI projects that I'm still bullish on, which is AI Monica. This project is doing so much stuff. This is created by Animoca Brands. Animoca Brands is one of the biggest ecosystems in crypto. They are basically pushing gaming, Web3 gaming, also NFTs. That's why I think this is one of the most undervalued. Market cap only $44 million. They basically went from I talked about this project when it was at 8 million, then it jumped to 90 million. Now it's back to 44, but looking at the fact that AI is not going anywhere, crypto is not going anywhere, they are doing airdrops for holders. That's why I think this is quite a great project in my opinion. And I talked about this early. I cashed out, but I am putting some money in because, again, Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, 102,000, maybe even 103. Let's refresh. 102 and 667. I think we will reach 103,000 today. Now let's talk about NFT projects that I'm bullish on. First of all is GodaPass. They haven't been that active, but they are posting. I think they posted in December. There was some drop-free collectible that basically you could claim, and the floor price is quite low. Looking at the fact that all-time high for this is 9 Ethereum. So if you look at floor price now, it is 0.17. So if this project comes back, huge upside. That's what I'm looking in this crypto space. Huge upsides, projects that are still building. I am cautious of the new projects because you don't know anything about them. You don't know the developers or team. Now, next project is 555. This is basically an alpha group from Hunter Orel, one of the biggest influencers in this space. And you can get so much alpha. You can get whitelist opportunities. And more is coming soon. That's why, in my opinion, don't fade this collection. I think this will go to 5 Ethereum at least, in my opinion. Next one is Admit One. This is the same. You can get so many whitelist opportunities, airdrops. And the owner of this is G Money, he has like 300,000 followers. He has the biggest luxury company in the crypto space, in the NFT space. That's why this project still is quite undervalued in my opinion, because if you're looking at all-time highs, you can see 19 Ethereum. So we have 19x, at least 25x from the, if we go from these lows to the 19 Ethereum, that's, I think, 25x. If you bought earlier, and I was posting about this on my Patreon, you could buy this at 0.2 Ethereum. I don't think the price is going that low anymore. So the last project I want to talk about is Mint Mink. Why I am bullish is because yesterday the Mint Mink staff actually posted a sneak peek that something is coming for Mint Minks. And I posted again about this on my Patreon. And someone bought the lowest, which was 0.39. That's why, again, if you want to get the alpha really early, you can check my Patreon. All links are in the description. Here you can see that floor price right now is 0.59. only 3 buys, and we are at 1.55 Ethereum. And these are basically the most limited NFT collection that I'm in. These are only 260 mint mints in existence. 40 mint mints are from Series 1. You cannot get any of these. And for Series 2, you can see we have only 5 mint mink available, and there are free whitelists, free mints, free airdrop opportunities from Gary Vee. And Gary Vee is one of the biggest entrepreneurs in the internet space, probably the biggest entrepreneur in the NFT crypto space. And he can get to anything. He can get any whitelist he wants, in my opinion. That's why heavily undervalued. And if you have been following me on Patreon, I talked about this at 0.1. I actually posted a video when this was at 0.1 as well. That's why, again, these are really, really huge opportunities, in my opinion. And I don't think these will come back. This will soon be 1 Ethereum. And I'm not dumping on you. I'm holding my mint mints because these will outperform. Basically, the price is so cheap. I think we will get, the mint mints will get at least 10 Ethereum in 2025 just from the free mints, free airdrops, free opportunities. That's why it doesn't make sense for me to sell right now. Maybe I will sell at 10 Ethereum, maybe at 20 Ethereum. We will see how high this will go. But looking at the fact that only 260 mint mints are there in existence, and there are 1,000 Admit 1 NFTs. There are only 555 100 RL NFTs. There are 1,000 Go the Pass NFTs. That's why what I'm bullish on is these limited NFT collections, not the 10,000 or more NFT collections, because it's much easier for the price to go up. And if they are dropping some whitelists or opportunities, they are not dropping for the whole. They're basically dropping like 50 or 100. That's why I am bullish on these limited item NFT projects. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell. And if you want to get latest alpha earlier, follow my Patreon, only $10 a month. I am posting daily, multiple times a day. There's so much alpha. That's why if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell. So every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.